Hello, everyone. I am ZHAO Chuang. Today, let's draw the head cartilage of Helicoprion. Now, let's draw the cartilage of its head. As Helicoprion was a cartilaginous fish, the bones in its body, including the skull, were not really bones, but cartilage. At first, people didn't know much about the skull of Helicoprion, or where its peculiar teeth grew from, so they made a lot of wild guesses. For example, scientists once speculated that the teeth of Helicoprion grew at the very tip of the snout, which spiraled outward and could swing flexibly like a whip. They also thought that Helicoprion had teeth spirally arranged on both the upper jaw and the lower jaw. When it bit its prey, these teeth would sever the prey like a real chainsaw. There were even more peculiar views. People believed Helicoprion had no teeth, and that the tooth whorl structure grew on its dorsal fin. It wasn't until recent years that people discovered complete fossils of the head of Helicoprion, and finally figured out what its head looked like. Let's start by drawing the lower jaw of Helicoprion. We'll draw Helicoprion with its mouth open. On the exterior of the mandible, there was a piece of cartilage protruding forward. Around this piece of cartilage, let's draw its tooth whorl. Note that the tooth whorl would be partially covered by this piece of cartilage. Then, draw the crown and the root. Next, let's draw the upper jaw of Helicoprion, starting from the part that connected the lower jaw, and outline the mouth. There was a beak-like plate on either side of its upper jaw, and the teeth on the lower jaw would insert into these two plates when its mouth was closed. This is how it severed its prey. Next, let's draw the cartilage of its head. Based on fossils, the cartilage of its head was relatively large. Start from the tip of the mouth, and work our way to the back of its head. Next, draw its eye sockets. Finally, we can simply outline the head covered in skin and flesh. Good, like this, we finished drawing the head cartilage of Helicoprion.